Else if statements do the same thing as if statements, but basically you can use them to extend an if statement. As you can see, I can type else if, and then I need to input another condition. Just like I have x equals 1, I can make this something like x equals 2. After that, just write then. If you read this as if it were English, you would actually be able to understand it because Lua is really similar to English. Let's go through the code. If x equals 1, then it'll print this. However, if x is not equal to 1, it's going to go down and continue on to this line of code. Then it's going to check if x equals 2, and then it's going to print this only if x equals 2. However, if none of these are true, you can also add an else statement at the end. Once again, we can take a look at this. When x equals 1, it'll print this. When x equals 2, it'll print this. However, if none of these conditions are met right here, then it's going to go down and print this. Let's set x to 3 and run the game. As you can see, it prints x is not 1 or 2. Now let's try it again, but let's set x to 2. As you can see, it prints x equals 2. The exact same thing happens when I set x to 1. It's going to print x equals 1. Just like that, I printed x equals 1 on line 4 right here. Also guys, if you end up with these circles on your script anywhere and you're clicking on them trying to make them go away, just know that these are breakpoints and they will cause your script to stop running. To delete them, go in and right click on them, delete them. By now you should have a basic idea of scripting. Let's go ahead and learn what services are.